So if you're an iPhone user trying to figure out how to lock applications on your iPhone, you have probably explored various settings only to realize it's not as straightforward as it seems. In fact, it might feel almost impossible. But don't worry, we have got a clever trick that lets you lock applications on your iPhone with ease. So now without any further delay, let's dive right in. Since WhatsApp comes with an inbuilt app lock feature, you can simply turn it on by going into WhatsApp settings, then privacy, then under app lock, turn on Face ID, and probably that's all. But for other applications, you will need to manually set up the application lock. Well, in case if you have iOS 18 installed on your iPhone, you can simply lock any application by just holding on the application and enabling the required Face ID option. But in case if you have any older version of iOS, you will need to refer to the second method of locking applications on your iPhone. So you must have seen an application named Shortcuts on your iPhone, and today we are going to bring this app in use. So in case if you don't find Shortcuts app on your iPhone, you can simply download it from the App Store or directly from the link given below in the video's description or in the pinned comment. Now within the Shortcuts app, go in the Automation tab, then click on New Automation. Scroll a bit and click on App. Under this, make sure that Is Opened is selected and choose Run Immediately option is also selected. After this, under App, choose list of all the applications you want to lock on your iPhone and then click on the Done button. Once done with all these settings, click on Next and then select New Blank Automation. Now, here search for lock screen and select the lock screen option. Now, click on Done and your automation is set up. After this, your app lock automation is done. Now, what will happen that whenever someone will open any locked application on your iPhone will get to your lock screen and also get locked. So ultimately, you will need to enter the passcode to unlock your iPhone, and as soon as your iPhone will get unlocked, the application will also get open. So that's the only possible way to lock applications on your iPhone. The only TNC is that you can't have different passcode for your iPhone and the locked applications. So in case if you're having any question about this video, then please make sure to drop a comment in the comment section. And if you guys like the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyan Sharan, and I will catch you in the next one.